This is day 1. This is day 2. Day 3, thinking. My smile. Ito siya. Day 4. This is day 5. This is day 6. Day 7. So, day 14 ako, konting nag-flex ko na siya. Day 21, slight improvement. Smile, nakikita na yun. Day 28 of my eyebrows. And blink my eyes. You can smile na.
Oo, yung sinasabi mo na.
I can smile na. Ito na rin yung eyes ko. Right.
Ito yun.
40th day, o nasa 80 to 90% recovered talaga ako. So, I can literally 45. Today is my last day of physical therapy. Okay na talaga siya.